Hi, right now we're here at one of the greenhouses of Costales Nature Farm and we're harvesting lettuce. What kind of lettuce is this, ate?
Ice po.
Green ice lettuce. A while ago, Carl Ace of Turista Trail just harvested 10 pounds of lettuce. Let's wait for traveling light for because she will harvest again.
Half press.
There, so
Half press.
let me just show
Ito
you
yung suno.
the
Half press
lettuce.
para nag-green bago mag
Mm.
bago mo half press bago mo
Okay, there.
tas release.
Yeah, mind you that these lettuce are organic lettuce made from the fertilizers are all organic. They're using the EMAS technology from the Japanese, and it's one of the very first here in the Philippines. So let's watch Claire of IamTravelingLight.com while she's harvesting lettuce with the hat, farmer hat.
Farmer.
Ano man tawag dyan?
Ganun yun, sir.
Farmer hat, di ba?
Nag-harvest na ako.
Yan. Okay, show us how you harvest a lettuce. So, what
Cut
are
with
what are the
scissors.
steps? Where do you cut it?
Here. Oh.
Okay. Cut mo dun sa pag ganun pag ganun para makita.
Sige.
Yan, there.
Oh, mag-picture ka lang,
So,
Carl.
there. You should cut it here so that the root will not
Won't be included.
Yes, nag-isip ako ng English. So, actually, this tour is for Carl because she came in late yesterday. But Claire wants to harvest again while taking pictures. So, let's just give her the benefit of the doubt.
Nakita ko lang kayo, kaya na-harvest.
Yes. Actually, this tour should be fast and quick, but she joined
tigil ka dyan,
along.
Jennifer.
So, we're having a, bad time here. Okay, we'll be back we still have seeding, transplanting, and then, what else do we have? Egg harvesting, and those things. So, we'll be back later on. So, thank you.